Hey, chocolate lovers. Welcome to a world of pure chocolate bliss. Are you ready to make your chocolate day extra special? Whether you're celebrating with a loved one or having a fun gathering with friends, this recipe is sure to impress. I've got the perfect treat for you. Rich, silky, and oh so irresistible chocolate fondue. It's a classic that never goes out of style. Whether you're planning a romantic date night or a cozy get-together, this easy fondue recipe will bring pure joy in every dip. Let's dive in and make some magic happen. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need a few simple yet essential items to create this decadent treat. 1 cup of heavy cream, which will give our fondue that rich and creamy texture. 200 grams of dark chocolate, chopped into small pieces to ensure it melts smoothly. 50 grams of milk chocolate, chopped. This is optional, but totally worth it for that extra creaminess and sweetness. 1 tablespoon of butter for a glossy finish that makes the fondue look as good as it tastes. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to add a lovely depth of flavor. And 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup for a touch of added sweetness. All right, let's get started and bring these ingredients to life. Heat 1 cup of heavy cream in a saucepan over medium heat. This is the base of our fondue. We don't want it to boil, just a gentle simmer to warm it up. Keep an eye on it to prevent it from boiling over. Remember, heat until warm, but don't let it boil. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect consistency. Once your cream is warm, remove it from the heat and pour it over the chopped dark and milk chocolate. This will start the melting process. Let it sit for a minute. This helps the chocolate melt beautifully without any lumps. Now, give it a good stir until it's silky smooth. Take your time to ensure everything is well combined. Just look at that creamy goodness. It's like a dream come true for chocolate lovers. Next, for that extra richness, add 1 tablespoon of butter. This will make the fondue even more luxurious. This makes the fondue super glossy and gives it a beautiful sheen. Stir in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a touch of honey or maple syrup for a hint of sweetness. These additions elevate the flavor profile. Butter and vanilla really take this to the next level of indulgence. Now the best part, serving. Get ready to wow your guests. Pour the warm chocolate into a fondue pot or a heatproof bowl. Presentation is key, so choose a nice serving dish. Arrange your favorite dippers around it. The possibilities are endless. Strawberries, bananas, marshmallows, pound cake, pretzels, whatever you love. Get creative with your choices and let the fun begin. Just look at that. The silky, smooth chocolate coating your favorite treat. It's pure indulgence. Here's a tip. Keep the fondue warm over a tea light or fondue burner for the best consistency. This ensures the chocolate stays perfectly melted. And there you have it. Easy chocolate fondue. The perfect treat for chocolate day. It's simple, delicious, and sure to impress. Whether you're sharing this with a loved one or enjoying it all to yourself, this fondue will make every moment sweeter. It's a delightful way to celebrate any occasion. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious desserts. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy Chocolate Day!